Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Anaheim. We showed you some video of this unit a couple weeks ago. It's a 2018 Winnebago Travato, and it took a yellow Ballard and just crushed the side. So we have replaced these side panels. It's just come out of the paint booth. We're ready to put the exterior trim parts on and then get it back over to the refit shop and rebuild the whole interior in this thing. So big job, but it's coming out absolutely beautiful. Customer will never know it happened. We'll make sure everything works properly, all systems are operational, and get the customer back camping in this thing soon. So if there's any RV service, oil change, generator, refit needs that you need, please come see us at OCRV.